Hey guys, so I'm about to share with you all of the forms that I've created on Google Forms that we're going to be using for our kids. So the biggest issue is that you must have your own forms for your own classrooms. We can't share forms or else everyone's going to get everyone else's data. So I want to show you how to make a copy of all the forms that I'm going to be sending you. So essentially, you are going to be getting a couple emails from me. They're going to look like this, okay? So invitation to edit. And here's the form to edit. Make a copy. So what you're going to do is click on the form. Go to these three little dots right here. Make a copy. Now, I encourage you to call it something that is you. So maybe lesser, right? Or saffron. Okay, so you know that that one is yours. And then here, this is how you can organize it, right? Wherever you want to save this copy, however you organize your drive. Okay, and click OK. Now, what's important is that when you click into, after you've made your copy, add collaborators, you want to make sure that you are the owner, okay? And no one else has this little pencil. That's the editing access. So obviously this is me, so that's okay. But if I have other people as editors, then anything that they change on their form will change on my form. So the critical key is to make sure that only you are the owner. That is the form that you'll be able to share with your class. So to reiterate, you're going to be getting an email from me saying invitation to edit. Okay, click on whatever form I share with you. Click on the three dots, make a copy. Once you make a copy, it's yours, okay? So make sure you make a copy of all the forms and use your copy when you share it with your class.